Hey, welcome back to Cover That Roof. Okay, so we've got most of the roof pressure washed, and now we want to do the remaining corner over here and get that all pressure washed. So we're going to show you how to do it. We got a high pressure water system that gets up there. It's going to squirt out a bunch of water, and it's going to take that moss right off the roof, and that's what we want to do. So as you can see, it's pretty green, and we soaked down the roof so you could see the green that's left on there. So now we just want to pressure wash it, so that's what we're going to do. Go ahead. Okay, so here's the gun. We got it ready. Now we're ready to go. Okay, so that's the general gist of how you pressure wash a roof. It's pretty easy. You just got to sit there and go back and forth, back and forth. As you can see, the area that we did looks pretty good. And then you can see where the green starts again. So we're going to get back to this. We're going to jump to something else, and we'll get back to this when it's all done. And we'll take a peek at it then. Okay, see you in a bit.